In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate two Pinterest mobile accounts. If you want two Pinterest accounts to work together smoothly, whether that's you switching between personal and business profiles, or you and a partner brainstorming on the same ideas, the easiest way is to share the exact board or pin you're planning to work on. I'll walk you through the process on the Pinterest mobile app and give you a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen, then look along the bottom of the app and tap Saved. This takes you straight to your collections, your boards at the top, and your recently saved pins underneath. Think of this as your workspace. Everything you plan to collaborate on will live here. Now pick the place you want to collaborate. If you're teaming up on a set of ideas, choose the specific board that holds those pins and open it. If you only want to share a single pin, open that pin instead. Focusing your sharing on the right board or pin keeps things organized and avoids confusion later. Once you're in the board or pin, look for the share icon. On most devices, it appears near the top of the screen. Tap it to open your sharing options. From here, you have a couple of straightforward ways to connect the second account. One quick option is Copy Link. This creates a shareable link you can paste anywhere. Perfect if the other account is on a different device or you're switching between profiles. Just copy the link, move to the other account, and open it. This is also handy for saving the link in Notes or a project doc so you can return to it later. Another built-in option is to send it via Pinterest messages. Choose Message in Pinterest, then select the other account or the person behind it. This keeps everything inside Pinterest, which can be cleaner for ongoing collaboration. If you use this route, make sure notifications are on so the recipient sees it promptly. If you prefer a different app or need to reach the other account another way, tap More to open your device's share sheet. From there, you can share via your browser, nearby sharing tools, or your favorite messaging and workspace apps. Pick whatever's fastest and most reliable for you. That's it. Open Pinterest, go to Saved, select your board or pin, tap Share, and send it using Copy Link, Pinterest messages, or your device's more options. With those steps, both accounts can easily access the same content and keep the collaboration moving.